welcome to the PUP Center Assessment. Ngayon ay Sir Boy na tayo ang Sheridan's Competency Assessor for Beauty Care, Healthcare, and CMO. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Soriano from our Assessment Center Management Team and Mr. Santos from the NESA office. You do not need to worry about their presence. They are only here to observe the conduct of assessment and ensure that everything follows lessons of mission methodology and standards. They will not evaluate you. Before we start, let me first check the attendance. When your name is called, please present your admission slip. Mr. Godno. Mr. Gonzalo. I also have here your accomplished self-assessment guide, or SAT, which indicates that you understand and perform competencies under this qualification. Today, I will administer the competency assessment for beauty care, nail care, and C2, which include basic, common, and core units of competency. For today's assessment, we will focus on the following core units. Number 1, performance gap. The purpose of this assessment is to determine whether you are competent in the unit performance gap based on industry standards set under the Training Regulation for Beauty Care and C2. If you are found competent, you may receive a Certificate of Competency or COC for this unit, or a National Certificate NC2 once all 4 units are passed. The tasks you are required to perform includes preparing the client and workstation, performing the complete hands-on treatment, conducting post-service activities. Evidence collection will be through demonstration or observation. I will use the observation checklist to rate your performance. And oral questioning. After your demonstration, I will ask questions to verify your underlying knowledge. Assessment rules. Maximum performance time is 1 hour. Observe all safety, sanitation, and OHS procedures at all times. No talking or communication with other candidates once the assessment starts. I will be observing from a distance and cannot assist or coach you. Safety reminder. All tools and materials must be properly sanitized before and after use, and contact indication must be checked before starting the service. Do you have any special needs or require reasonable adjustment before you proceed? No. If none, I will not distribute a competency assessment agreement sheets. Please read and fill out the website. Thank you. Since you have completed agreement 4, you are now assigned as candidate 1 and candidate 2. Other candidates may stay in the waiting area until it is their turn. Now please stand up and let me lead you to the practical work area. So here is the practical work area kung saan niyo po ipaperform yung hands back. Instruction. Using the available materials, you are required to perform a complete hands spa on your client or mannequin within 1 hour. I will observe your performance using the observation checklist. After the demonstration, I will ask a few knowledge-based questions. You may call me only for clarification or instructions, not guidance. After questioning, I will provide your performance feedback, and closely, especially during cleanup. You have performed the task within TESDA standards. Congratulations. Please sign a written sheet acknowledgement of your resume. You may claim your certificate of competency from EUP Assessment Center test the office through email on the scheduled release date. Here is a copy of competency assessment resume summary. And for Ms. Ordono, I'm sorry, but you were rated as not yet competent with the software knocking skill, which is a critical requirement for this mission. You may return for assessment after 1 week or when you feel prepared. Only the component will be assessed. These documents will now